Hello friends, I present to you the Brabus GLB, a worthy alternative to the AMG GLB. For a moment, let's forget the fact that Mercedes-Benz has a proper AMG 35 version of the 2021 GLB crossover. It may have less power than the one from Untitled Chapter, but the butterop native has more torque from its turn 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine. Brabus adds a two-part front spoiler and a new insert for the side air intakes to induce a sportier vibe. The most noticeable upgrade is the pair of LED auxiliary light on the roof. It not only provides additional lighting than off-roading, but those LED roof lights will illuminate upon engaging the high beams or headlight flasher. At the rear, the milled sportier theme continues with the Brabus rear spoiler and a set of large 3.5-inch quad exhaust tip finished in black chrome. Also new black 10-spoke alloy wheels in either 18, 19 and 20-inch diameters. The rollers are wrapping in Pirelli, Yokohama and Continental rubber depending on the market and wheel size. Did you notice the lowered ride height? It came courtesy of Brabus Sport Spring to deliver sporty handling, a weak stance, and admirable ride quality. However, Brabus claims the new springs are specific to 4MATIC variants of the GLB 250. But if you don't like the lower stance, Brabus is also offering a set of off-road springs that increase the ride height by 1.4 inches. Don't forget, the Brabus name means power, and the German tuning company obligates by infusing the GLB 250 with its Power Xtra B25 performance kit. According to Brabus, the kit is responsible for updating the stance boost pressure control while remapping the injection and ignition software. The result is 46 more horsepower. Overall, the 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is now good for 270 horsepower. In comparison, the Mercedes-AMG GLB 35 is good for 302 horsepower, but the Brabus GLB has more torque. Because of this, it accelerates to 60 miles per hour in 6.6 seconds and has a top speed of 189 miles per hour. On the other hand, the AMG version rushed to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds and tops out at 135 miles per hour. Brabus says the Power Xtra B25 performance kit applies to all GLB 250 variants with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. As expected, the interior is not sprayed from the Brabus touch. The cabin is now adorned with anodized aluminum scuff plates, anodized aluminum foot pedals, Brabus floor mats and a matching trunk liner. The upholstery is fully customizable, said Brabus, and customers can choose from premium materials including mastic leather and fine Alcantara. Sadly, Brabus had yet to divulge pricing and availability, but this exclusive GLB is one for the books.